How to log into Royal Bank of Canada credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Royal Bank of Canada and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, rbcroyalbank.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on it. Then you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your client card or username. If you want to save your client card or username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your username, click on this option and recover it. After you fill this, click on next. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Royal Bank of Canada credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.